Going, baby. Battery's hooked in. Where you going? Alright. Crossing the street really slowly. I thought I could leave the battery hooked in. I wasn't sure and I wasn't going to test it. And the cop told me, so, you know, usually give out good advice. Get the fuck out of here, dude. I was already fucking moving. Fuck you. I get to the street and of course there is traffic I have to wait for. I wonder how long this thing could last with the battery connected to it. It's worth a test run one time. Oh, look at that. Other side of the street has to have traffic as well. Game of probability. I lose unless nobody gives a fuck. When you're in front of somebody in line, they say fuck you. That's how it rolls. Everybody else has to fucking... Nobody has patience, man. You know how many people have done that to me in Texas when I'm trying to make a turn? Whether I'm going left or right? Thanks, dude. Thanks for obstructing my view. Making this so much fucking harder. Retard! Finally got a new alternator in my van. There were some electrical wires that I talked about before that were connected that were unnecessary to the battery, draining battery life, making the alternator do extra work. Took those off, told me that my belt that goes around the big circular cylinder connective piece of the alternator is cracked. I should get that replaced in the next like 5,000 to 10,000 miles. I'm just gonna get replaced in the next month. I have enough money. It's not that bad. It's like $85 an hour of man labor. The more you understand this stuff, the better off you're always going to be. Now I have the used alternator that he took out. I have the receipt. Take the old alternator back to AutoZone when you bought an alternator from them. I think it's like 25 cash back, so I'm doing that now. And then I'll probably do deliveries for a couple days in San Antonio. I really only did them for a day. It seemed like a pretty good area to do deliveries relative to like... It doesn't seem like there's that many going on. There's not like red zones like Austin, but I don't think there's as many people doing them. So there's always that. Like there may be a lot of deliveries in an area, but if there's a lot of delivery drivers, it's hard to get deliveries. So just because there's red zones in an area doesn't mean it's a great spot to do deliveries necessarily. They don't really show you how many people you're competing against to get these deliveries. But I found in San Antonio it was pretty consistent during afternoon food times when I was at a fast food place like a Taco Bell or McDonald's and I had a strong Wi-Fi signal. So I'm going to see how deliveries are, a couple more days, maybe head back to Austin then over the weekend and see how the mail goes, see if I can mail myself that check from my account and then have additional money. But now I should be able to do deliveries more so than before and not really have to worry about the van as much. So I have all these warranted parts. Pretty much have all new major parts in the van warranted, so I use that as an investment for business and make more money using those pieces, doing deliveries. That's the smart business move. I'm an entrepreneur who works, does different things to make money, and now the situation, I put investments into my van to be able to use it to make more money. That's how you got to look at things. I may be an ungroomed, slow-talking, difficult-to-listen-to entrepreneur, but I am definitely an entrepreneur, problem solver, businessman. That's just who I am. Oh, baby. When I started up, it was so sharp and precise. I feel like I have a race car now. I feel like I traded in my van for a brand new motherfucking race car. Let's go. Got some fries. I got some nuggets. I got ice cream, but I don't see a spoon. I'm trying to get this ice cream with my hands. Let's take a look at these nuggets. Let's get some golden nugget content. Oh, baby. The golden nuggets. Good thing I got a spork.